Hey guys, Camden's Takes. Today we're going over another planet in our solar system. Today's planet is Uranus. Uranus is the seventh planet from the Sun and our third gas giant and our first ice giant. And is named after the Greek god of the sky. And it's actually the only planet in our solar system to be named after Greek mythology. The rest, except Earth, are Roman names. Discovered in 1781 at the Herschel Museum of Astronomy by William Herschel, who was looking for dim stars through his telescope but accidentally found a seventh planet in our solar system. And Uranus was actually the first planet to ever be discovered. Every planet up to Saturn is bright enough in the night sky that people have known about them since ancient times, so no one really took credit for finding them. Before getting its official name, astronomers had a different idea for it. They wanted to call it Georgium Sidus, which translates to George's star. But they wanted to keep with the tradition and name it after a mythological deity like the other planets. And there's an element named after it, which is uranium. Uranus tilts on its axis 98 degrees, which is a huge difference from Earth's 23 degrees. Because of this, Uranus is on its side. It's also one of 3 planets in our solar system to rotate in retrograde, along with Venus and Pluto. It might rotate like this probably because of a collision long ago. It takes Uranus 84 years to go around the Sun. Its orbital speed is 15,000 miles per hour. Because it's so far away, it takes 21 years for each season to be completed. Due to its sideways tilt, each pole faces the same way for 42 years. It's the third largest planet, but the fourth most massive, because Neptune is more massive than Uranus. It has at least 29 moons orbiting it, which are named after literary characters. Some are from poems from Alexander Pope, and some are named from plays from Shakespeare, and 2 need to get official names. It also has 13 rings around it, which are made of large rocks and space debris. But Uranus's rings are actually much smaller than the set of rings on Saturn. It's one of 4 ringed planets in our system along with Jupiter, Saturn, and Neptune. But this makes Uranus one of 9 ringed objects in our solar system along with Jupiter, Saturn, Neptune, Rhea, Kerclo, Chiron, Quirrell, and Haumea. Uranus is 19.2 AUs away from the Sun, so it's twice as far from the Sun as Saturn is. Its perihelion is 2 billion kilometers, and it gets as far as 3 billion kilometers at aphelion. Uranus's diameter is 50,724 kilometers, which is 4 times the Earth's diameter. Its radius is 26,362 kilometers. Its mass is 8.682 times 10 to the power of 25 kilograms. Its mass is 1.27 grams cm to the power of 3. Uranus is a member of the Jovian planets, also known as the gas giants. Uranus and Neptune are known as ice giants, which are extremely cold special gas giant planets. They have the gases of Saturn and Jupiter, but they're smaller, colder, and have heavier gases. The other difference is they also have icy cores. So it's very cold on both of them. But Uranus is actually colder than Neptune. The coldest recorded temperature is negative 371.2 degrees Fahrenheit. And Uranus is actually the coldest planet in the solar system. You're probably wondering, Neptune's farther from the Sun than Uranus, so shouldn't Neptune be the coldest? Well, that's actually not true. As we know, they have hydrogen and helium gases in them like the other 2 gas giants, but they both have methane in their atmospheres. Methane is a gas that creates a wall around the planet, not letting heat escape. But Uranus has less methane than Neptune, so that makes Neptune warmer than Uranus. Just like how Venus is warmer than Mercury because of its sulfuric acid clouds. Like I just said, the atmosphere is methane, hydrogen, and helium. Most of its mass comes from water, methane, ammonia, and other materials. It's far from the sun and we can't see it really good without a telescope, but it has a high albedo, which means it reflects a lot of sunlight. And its atmosphere has a lot of hydrogen sulfide, which makes it smell like rotten eggs, like Jupiter, Mars, Venus, and Neptune. Uranus' wind speeds are about 560 miles per hour compared to Earth's, which are 250 miles per hour. And Uranus can also have diamond rain due to the pressure squeezing carbon in the atmosphere to create diamond rain. The reason Uranus is blue is because methane in its atmosphere. Uranus also has a dark spot, which is a mystery because we don't know a ton about it. Uranus separates into layers: the outer atmosphere, where the upper cloud is; the atmosphere, which is hydrogen, helium, and methane; the mantle, which is water, methane, and ammonia ices; and the core is made up of silicate and other rocks, which is very cold, and it's the size of Earth. Voyager 2 is the only spacecraft to fly very close past Uranus. But the Hubble and James Webb telescope have also captured images of Uranus. And Uranus also has red auroras. Hope you learned something new. Make sure to like and subscribe. Bye.